In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install fonts on your Android phone. To change your Android phone default system fonts, go to your settings app and tap on display, and here tap on font size and style. Tap on font style, and here we can see by default some random fonts are available. You can select any of them to change your default Android font style. And to download more fonts, just tap on download fonts and you will directly jump into your Android phone font store. From here you can easily download any custom fonts, and once the font successfully installed, you will be able to change your Android phone default font like this. So this is how we can install fonts in our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.